Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to add bio on Signal. Also I wonder why you want to know how to add bio on Signal. Maybe because you want to add bio because you want to others know about yourself, or maybe there's any quote or any kind of saying in your mind that you want to upload, or maybe you have seen someone else bio and it really inspired you so you also want to upload yours. Or it could be any other reason for you to upload a bio on Signals. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Signal app, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play or App Store. Once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you are logged in with that account. Now simply tap on the icon of the Signal to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options all over the screen almost. At the bottom, we have only two options, chat and statuses. But now what we have to do is that we have to simply click on our profile icon, which is in the top left side of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and through this option, we will do our work. After that, just simply click on this first option, settings. Once you get here, at the top you will see the title of settings, and there you will see many different options. Every option is here is different from each other and has their own specific task that it performs in this app. So what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on your profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and then we will get into our profile, and from there we will upload the bio. So there you can see on the top it is written profile, and through this option we could easily edit our profile. Like we can edit our profile picture, our name, and under our name we have about. So about is as same as you could say description or bio, which is written on every profile, like on social media where people type about themselves at any kind of quotes. Once you click on it, first what you could do is that you can type anything of your choice. You can type any kind of quote, saying, or anything that you have seen on the internet. You can post it here, or if you want to tell something about yourself, then you can type it. Otherwise, we have some default ones. If you want to choose any one of these, you just have to simply tap on it, and after that, it will be selected and pasted as your about or description. But if you want to show your own creativity, just remove it and type whatever you would like to type in your bio. It's all up to you. There's no limitation to it, like you can type something and can type not. Whatever comes to your mind, you can type it. And once you're done typing, you just have to simply click on done, which is on the top right side of the screen. This one, once you click on it, after that your bio will be updated. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload bio on Signal. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.